So this is the Mobotix 15 series range of devices that have just been released. These represent the latest in IP camera technology that's coming out of Germany at the moment, and they bring with them some really nice new enhancements that I wanted to cover over in this video. But I'll just first of all do a quick introduction to each of the models first. For anyone that's new to Mobotix, you're probably wondering why there's such a huge difference in the design. So I'll go into that very quickly. This is the Mobotix S15D. And if you're not familiar with the Mobotix S range of cameras, this replaces the S14. And what you can see here is the base unit, which has a steel plate. This is the main part of the camera. And it is a dual lens camera, the same as these other devices. But as you can see, you have 2-meter video cables that connect sensor modules. So you can have up to 2 sensor modules. Each one's comprised of an image sensor, a lens, and a microphone. So it's absolutely ideal for covert and discrete surveillance. Maybe you want to have surveillance inside a motor vehicle, like a taxi or a train, aeroplanes, anything to do with transport where there's very tight and limited space. S15D is absolutely perfect for that. And also for architecturally designed buildings where you don't want to have big bulky cameras visible. You can actually just bolt these little sensor modules. They're only about 50 millimeters in diameter to the wall or to a ceiling, and you've got a really nice slick design, and that fits in and doesn't detract from the aesthetics of the environment. Also very popular with ATM machines as well. So that's the S15D. The Mobotix dual lens dome camera that you can see here is the D15. This replaces the D14. Same form factor, same options as the D14, which I'll go into in another tutorial, but again, some new enhancements which I'll touch on in a minute. And this finally is the M15. This is not replacing the M14. There never was an M14. There were a number of reasons why Mobotix didn't release an M14. It replaces the M12, and I think part of the delay with the design was to get some of the final touches right, and I think they've really nailed it with the M15, and in my opinion this is the flagship of the entire range that you're looking at, but each one serves its own purpose, and I'll talk about the M15 in greater detail in another tutorial. So let's now take a look at the new enhancements that are available within the 15 series. So the first thing I wanted to talk about in relation to the 15 series is the 5 megapixel image sensor that's now available with these devices. To watch the rest of this tutorial, register at mxinstaller.com or click on the link below this video.